everyone, it's Chloe here today. Today I'm going to introduce Hyundai Santa Fe model. The Santa Fe I'm going to introduce today is 5th generation Santa Fe hybrid model, and in particular I brought a car with a 4-wheel drive instead of 2-wheel drive today. I think 4-wheel drive is also on many people's purchase list because they want safer driving in various situations. Okay, about the spec, the engine is 1.6 turbo engine with hybrid. The motor output is 64 horsepower and the engine output is 180 horsepower. So therefore, the total combined horsepower is 244 horsepower. When looking at the output alone, it is not lacking at all. Okay, let's take a look at the exterior design. The design is very polarizing in Korea. Personally, I like the design because it looks like a toy car blown up, but there are also people who don't like it. In a word, it can be said that it is a box-shaped SUV, and the exterior has many designs that embody the H, symbolizing Hyundai in various space. The headlight part in front is also made in the shape of H, and also the rear lamp is the same. However, the rear turn signal is located too low, and there are concerns about safety. But Hyundai says that they had no choice but to move it to the bottom to maximize the openness of the tailgate space. In fact, the Santa Fe tailgate was developed to serve as a shade to block sunlight in camping situations. Okay, now I want to talk about interior and the readability. You know what? The Santa Fe is always compared with the Kia Sorento, right? Although the Sorento has a higher sales volume, the Santa Fe is also a very popular domestic SUV. In the case of the Santa Fe, the box-shaped design I mentioned earlier allows for much more space utilization than Sorento. For example, the real design is box-shaped, so you can use headroom and space to the fullest. So rather than just needing a family car, those who enjoy leisure or camping are likely to have Santa Fe. In fact, the trunk space can accommodate 4 golf bags and 4 Boston bags. When the second row is folded, you will experience a truly vast space. And then the flatness is also very good, so it is very good model for leisure lifestyle. And then another good thing about the Santa Fe is there are tons of storage space. Another good thing is the way to fold the second row is one touch, and then which is also very convenient. The interior space is also excellent as there are no gear in the center console, allowing for ample space utilization. The curved display is a masterpiece that can be appreciated anytime, and it feels like there are abundant options. And also, the air conditioning system is also created with combination of physical and touch buttons. Personally, I feel that there are too many things. I think it would have been better if some buttons were removed. However, the emergency light located in the center is easy to see at a glance. And there are 2 spaces for wireless charging. If you see the passenger space, the space under passenger's dashboard also has 2 spaces, making it perfect for those who enjoy camping or leisure life. Alright, let's drive Santa Fe hybrid model. First of all, I want to talk about the handling. What I feel is it has very taut leather feeling. While driving, I feel like there's firmness while there's smoothness. Complicated explanation, but it is true. And then you can feel it when you over the bumper. When you over the bumper, it doesn't feel too bumpy. I think the suspension seems decent as well. Like you see, this is hybrid car, so there's no noise. So I think the NVH level is very good enough. When you drive in a low speed, you can feel and then you can hear the noise that the typical sound for a hybrid car, you know. But it doesn't seem too bothersome. The movement of the electric motor in low speed driving provides a smooth ride comfort. As it is a hybrid car, we should talk about the fuel economy. Despite being a four-wheel drive, the fuel economy is about 15 kilometers per liter. In fact, while I drive, the fuel economy is about 12 kilometers per liter. So I think if you drive, basically, you can get the 12 kilometers per liter. So maybe average of 12 to 13. If you drive very smooth and be calm, then you can get the 15 kilometers per liter, I think. I think the handle is big enough for this SUV model. But I prefer to have a logo in it. So I wish they can make a logo so that everybody can see that I'm driving Santa Fe hybrid model. And also, like I said earlier, there are a combination of air conditioning, physical buttons, and touch buttons. But I feel like there's too many buttons on it. So whenever I try to find the typical button, it seems to be find very hard. So I wish they can remove some of them. Okay, what do you think about Santa Fe hybrid four-wheel driving model with a tons of H signs? That's all for today's review, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!